Family Black Finish checking in. So I just took the old thermostat out and flushed the system out. As you see, this one right here was kind of sticking, but here and there. So when I flushed it, I went to go and replaced it. And I think that's good when you getting your systems together. So I've been doing a couple things. Got me a new battery. Right now I'm letting it run and build up, so I can be able to finish filling it up. Letting it run and reaches maximum heat, and then see where I'm sitting at. But right now everything is running good, sounding good. And this is a 94 4.3 DC Vortex. Very good engines, great workhorses. Like I say, this one is running sound and strong, and as the old folks say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So we're gonna utilize it until we can't utilize it no more. So right now, like I say, I just been getting everything together as far as tune up and making sure that it's strong, cleaning it up, making sure I got a reliable workhorse, because when it's all said and done, that's what it's about. So wanted to give y'all an update on Mr. Fred. Like I say, I'm here now working on it, getting a couple things situated so that way we can kill several birds with one stone. But I wanted to give you an update. It's pretty easy. These here are very, very easy to work on. But it seems like when you're just a mechanic, man, you're going to get a cut or straight or something. That's what it is being a mechanic. And I don't even like mechanic work, but I do it. But I don't really like it a whole lot. I like the end result more than I like the work. Just because I'm always cutting myself somehow. You know what I mean? Even if I had gloves on, hitting my arm or something. But it's all working out. Like I said, I just want to give y'all an update. Mr. Fred is coming. Doing what we can, getting done what we can while we can. Hold on.